Hello viewers, I am Vasim Raza from Italy. The complete list of nominations for the Lux Style Award 2021 has finally been announced for its upcoming 20th edition. However, the most popular and prestigious award of the country will honor excellence in entertainment industry. For this year's show, the Lux Style Award has unveiled nominations for 22 categories across critics and viewers' choice. The categories announced were in fashion, music, and TV for this year. Due to the ongoing pandemic and the restrictions on the cinemas, there will be no film submissions received and there will be no film award this year. So far as the very important category of Best Actress, Sajal Ali is being appreciated largely on social media. It has been said that she has capability to win the Lux Style Award as Best Actress. The social media consumers have declared her as Queen of Expressions, and it's been said that she truly deserves this award. So what is the deal of Sajal? In this video, we will discuss Sajal Ali, how Sajal Ali is as an actress. Sajal Ali is one of the most successful actors of Pakistan drama industry. Sajal has also tried hand to modeling and done shoots and advertisement for many hands. Sajal is known for her innocent and delicate looks of expressive eyes. Sajal Ali is one of the most successful actors of Pakistani drama industry. Sajal has also tried hand at modeling and has done shoots and advertisement for many brands. Sajal is known for her innocent and delicate looks and expressive eyes. At a very young age, Sajal has made a very impressive career for her. While talking about the Best Actress for Lux Style Award, it's been said that